Namaskar everyone. Today we will do the revision of chapter 10, which is the first chapter of term 1. We have completed revision of PA1. So we are going to start revision from the term 1. Okay, so first chapter is chapter 10, agriculture. So in this chapter we will revise that what is called agriculture and what are the main agricultural season in India and which types of crops uh, what are the types of crops and why we use the different types of crops in our country. Okay, so let's start our chapter. As our chapter name is agriculture, so what is the meaning of agriculture? It is given in our first keynote key point. So what is called agriculture? Agriculture includes the practice of the cultivation of soil. Cultivation of soil means to prepare the soil for growing crops, okay, and rearing of animal. Okay, so agriculture include the practice of the cultivation of soil and rearing of animals. Okay, and second is called that India is an agricultural country. As you know, our country is an agricultural country and the main occupation of Indian is the agriculture. Okay, and a variety of crops are grown here in India. Many types of crops are grown because of the different types of land features and climates. As you know, our country is called the land of diversity. Diversity means variety. It has variety in many fields. It has variety in language, dresses, crops, climates, and also in land features. So variety of crops, we have variety of crops because of variety of land features and the climate also. Okay, so we have different types of land features like the northern mountains, the northern plains, the desert, the southern plateau region, and the coastal plains and the island region. So we have 6 types of land features, and all the land feature comes in different types, different region, and they have different types of climate also. So we grow different types of crops in different part of our country. That is the reason that we have variety of crops in our country. Okay, now we have two main agricultural seasons, Rabi and Kharif in India. Agricultural seasons are divided into two parts, Rabi and Kharif. Now see what is called the Rabi. Crops grown in winters are called Rabi crops. Example, wheat is a Rabi crop. It means seeds or crops which we sown in winter season and they prepare and harvest in coming the summer season is called the Rabi crops. Okay, as you know that we purchase new wheat in the month of March or April. In the last March or April and May. So it means the wheat crops prepared for harvest in the month of March or April. It means they prepared during the winter season. We shown them in winter season, and they take all the parts time of the winter season, and they ready for they ready for the harvest in the season of summer. Okay, so this type of crops is called the Rabi crops. Now second is crops grown in summer or rainy. We can also write here or rainy. Okay, or rainy are called kharif crops. Rice is a kharif crop because it needs a hot and humid climate. It needs plenty of water. So rice is grown in mainly after the rainy season or during the rainy season, which comes just summer season. Okay, so this type of crop is called kharif crop, which are grown in summer or rainy season. Okay, now rice is grown in Punjab and Haryana with the help of irrigation. Okay, we grow rice in rainy season because it's need plenty of water, but in Punjab and Haryana it's grow with the rice is grown in Punjab and Haryana with the help of irrigation. Now, crops are further divided into two parts according to their purpose. First is called cash crops and second is called food crops. So, what are the cash crops? See, here is given cash crop. Crops which are grown for sale in the market are called cash crops like cotton, sugarcane, jute, and oil seeds. Okay, crops which are grown for sale, it means their purpose is for sale in the market, are called cash crops. It means any crops which we sell and earn money is called cash crop, like cotton, sugarcane, jute, and oilseeds are the main cash crops in India. Okay, but rice is also a cash crop in Punjab and Haryana because rice is grown there for the purpose of sale. Okay, the staple, the food crops of Punjab and Haryana is wheat. They use wheat as their food and they grow rice only for sale. So purpose of rice is to sell in the market and earn the money. So that is the reason that rice is also a cash crop in Punjab and Haryana. Okay. Now what is called the food crops? Food crops is, we have two types of crops. Now food crops are those crops which we mainly grown for the eat. Okay, for main purpose, for our surviving, we need food also to survive. So any crops which we grow for the purpose of food is called food crops. Okay, rice, wheat, millet, pulses are an example of food crops. Okay, and rice is an staple food in Bihar, Punjab, Assam, and coastal region. Okay, and the wheat is grown in winter season, and it is the staple food in the north and northwestern India, and it requires wet and cool climate. And I told you rice required hot and humid climate and plenty of water, but wheat is requires wet and cool climate. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat are the major wheat producing states. Okay, and millets, I told you millets are also our food crops. So in millets included millets means bajra, jowar, ragi, all these types of crops are called millets. Okay, so they can be grown in the area with the less rainfall. They are grown in mainly Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. And Maharashtra is the largest producer of jowar. And pulses are edible seeds of various plants. And important pulses are moong, masoor, arhar, and urad. They are grown almost all over the India. Okay, so these are called cash crops and food crops. Okay, now livestock, we will read about the livestocks. See, livestocks, animals, which are called animals, I told you in our the agriculture means the cultivation of soil, included cultivation of soil and also rearing the animals. So many animals are reared in India. Animals that are kept for pleasure or profit are called livestock. Livestock means any animals which we rear for the profit is called livestock. Cow, buffaloes, goats, sheep, horses, and camels are the most commonly domesticated animals. Camel and oxen are used for cultivating land, while cows, buffaloes, sheep, and goats provide us with milk and meat. It means these animals give us profit. We get profit from these animals directly or by the product which we get from these animals. So this type of animal which we reared for the profit is called livestock. And India is rich in livestock. It means India is rich in domesticated cated animals. No other country in the world has such a large number of animals. Livestock, this topic also will come in your 5th standard, so everyone need to read this properly. Okay, and you have to remember this also, what is the meaning of livestock and which country is the rich in livestock in all the world. Okay, so India is an agricultural country, as you know. Therefore, these animal constitute India's assist. Constitute India's assist means they addresses the India. Okay. Now, tea, coffee. We have one. We have plantation crops also. Tea, coffee, and rubber are also cash crops. Okay, because we also grow them for sale in the market. These crops are grown on large farms and are also called plantation crops. Okay, now crops which are grown for eating food known as the food crop, as I have told you. Main food crops are called staple crops. I told you the rice, and rice is the staple food in Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, Odisha. It means it is the main food crops of that region. Okay, and I told you wheat is the staple food in the north and northwestern India. It means wheat is the main food crops in that region. Okay, now food crops are wheat, rice, pulses, millet, etc. I have explained you this topic. And rice is a cash crop in Punjab because it is grown there mainly for sale. Okay, now we will do the question and answer in revision sheet. Okay, so see, first question, what is agriculture? So agriculture is the practice of cultivation and rearing of animals, cultivation of soil and rearing of animals. Okay, and what are cash crops? Crops which are grown for sale in the market are called cash crops. Okay, you can also give the example like tea, coffee, cotton, sugarcane, etc. are our cash crops. Okay, and now what are called staple crops? Staple crops means main food crops are called staple crops. Main food crops, it means which are grown there in a large quantity. Okay, and also these crops used to making different types of crops, or used in mostly uh, or used with the mostly with the different types of crops is called the staple crops. Like in the we can also say that in the coastal region, the southern part of India, which comes in the coastal region like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, the rice is also staple food there. They make different types of food with the rice, like idli. For making idli, rice is also used. For dosa, in dosa, rice is also used. Okay, utpam, and they also make the sweets by using the rice. So they make different types of food there and used rice mainly, used rice as a main food. So this type of food is called staple crops. Okay, main food crops are called staple crops. Okay, so now student, we have completed the revision of chapter number 10, the first chapter of term 1. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in our online lecture. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to complete your answer the following questions in revision sheet and also read this. Okay, and read all the key points which are given in your revision sheet. They will help you to solve the other questions related to this chapter. Okay, so now in our next lecture we will do the revision of the next chapter of the term 1. So now everyone, take care, goodbye, and complete your revision sheet chapter 10 in your homework. Okay.